It's a quiet night, and you're fast asleep. But a tiny intruder is on its way, drawn by an invisible trail. Female mosquitoes, the ones who bite, are expert trackers. They follow the carbon dioxide you exhale, which is most concentrated around your head and ears. The persistent buzzing you hear is simply the sound of their wings flapping, at an astonishing rate of about 400 to 600 times per second. This creates a high-frequency hum. You hear it loudly because the mosquito is close to your sensitive ear canal, and the surrounding ambient noise is low at night. The sound isn't meant to annoy you. It's a byproduct of flight and a signal used to find mates. His is the sound of biology in action, an irritating love song and a search for a blood meal, all rolled into one tiny, annoying buzz.